Hello world, welcome to Coding Scientist Robotics and Artificial Intelligence on Jetson Nano JetBot robot module. Alright guys, let's take a look at it where we are. Let me just open up my manual. Alright, so we are on lesson number 9. Connecting batteries to JetBot driver assembly. Guys, this is a very important lesson. Do pay attention. So we are going to use 18650 lithium ion rechargeable batteries. So if you look at the motor driver board, it comes with a bigger slot of batteries. It's not your general batteries, but it's a special battery which is available in the market anywhere in Amazon or many other online platforms. You can source it pretty easy and very economical. It's very cheap. All you need to do is in Google you just copy paste, put this 18650 lithium ion or NIMH rechargeable batteries. You will get ton loads. So I am going to show you how to fix this battery with the correct polarity and make sure that it's fixed in the right manner, because if you do any mistake, it's going to burn out your entire board, entire motor driver board itself. It's pretty risky. So you got to read the polarity on the battery what is mentioned. So let me show you how I did it so that you will have an idea. Alright, so let's take a look at it, guys. So this is the battery I'm talking about. So this is how it looks like. So if you see here, it's written positive on the battery. May not be close. Let me just get it close to the camera if it is not clear, or like this. It's written as positive and negative. So this is how the battery looks like. But another way to easily find out is the positive terminal has got some kind of grid here. Can you see it looks little different with the space in between? So this is the positive side, and back side, the negative side, is pretty much flat like other batteries. So this is how the 18650 battery looks, and it's a rechargeable battery. It's a long life battery. Your JetBot runs for several hours. The one which I bought is 2000 milliampere. You may get higher version like 2500 or 3000 milliampere or even 4000 milliampere. You can go ahead, but to keep the cost low, I just bought 2000 milliampere battery. This is sufficient to run your JetBot for at least for 3-4 hours, non-stop. So you can charge it directly from this particular port, from this driver. I'm going to show you at a later stage. So for now, let's go ahead and mount this battery. So on the battery, on the bracket, you can see positive, negative, right? So you got to put the positive slot here on the positive side and just hand push it a little bit. It's little tight, but that's fine. You can just push it. And here the positive was on the other side, the middle one. So make sure the polarity is correct. And then push it back. Alright, it's perfect. And now the third one, check the polarity. The positive is this side. Check the polarity and then fix it appropriately. Alright, there you go. Your battery is all set. So that's all about it. Make sure, just pay attention to the polarity. It's a very important lesson. Make sure that you fix it correctly, mount it correctly. If you have any questions, do WhatsApp me or reach me on my email. I will help you out. See you. Bye-bye.